Choosing is a play na inspired ng experience namin ni Ice and also a collection of LGBT stories na na-share sa amin through the years. Siyempre, whenever we talk about LGBT, sometimes hindi naiintindihan ng tao. Parang, ano ba? What couples go through? What are the choices na ginagawa ng couple para malampasan nila yung mga kakaibang mga experience nila sa buhay. So, ito yung play. After 11 years, parang kung nakikita ng mga tao yung kami ni Ice na laging standing up for our rights, it's the other side. It's the struggles, it's the conflicts, ito yung meron ba kami mga personal traumas na na-experience din na nag-shape kung ano kami ngayon.
Yes.
And paano namin ginagamit or paano to nakakaapekto sa relationship ng isang couple. So, hindi lang siya talaga for LGBT. It's a very universal thing. All of us experience moments in our lives na parang bilang mag-asawa or bilang mag-partner, may isang malaking desisyon kayo na dapat na gawin. What will you choose? And paano naapektuhan?
And hindi lang, di ba, of course, you guys have been married for a long time. And, di ba, there's always like, sometimes may dumadaan talaga kayo sa crossroads. And siguro yun yung gusto naming sabihin na, yes, we may look different, where our relationship is not the norm. But if you actually see the struggles and the things that we face, pare-pareho lang tayo. Pare-pareho lang tayo ng
bilang
kwento.
mga human beings.
Yes.
So capable of loving, hurting, sacrificing.
And overcoming all these challenges to actually make choices that is good for the both of you.
Yes.
Ganda.
So, storya siya ni Mitch at saka ni Stella.
Na true to life ang mga hugot. Kuha sa totoong buhay nyo, yung mga
Halo
ibang
siya.
scenario.
Well,
So,
that's
may-
the mystery kasi hindi mo alam where the fiction ends at kung kaano yung real sa stories na yon. Pero I feel na parang maraming makaka-relate kasi it's really universal. Kumbaga, yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat couple na meron kayong conflict, paano nyo ina-address yung conflict na yun? Paano kayo nag-uusap? Or pinag-uusapan nyo ba siya? Or kung merong takot yung partner mo, minsan hindi mo maintindihan or dahil ayaw mong i-confront, parang band-aid solutions na lang. But once you get through it together and you choose to go through it together, mas alam nyo na yung magiging kahinatnan at alam nyong once na you make a choice about a certain thing, you're doing it together. So, yun.
And sabi nyo nga, hindi lang tungkol sa storyan yung dalawa, kundi
Yes.
iba-iba pang stories ng mga kaibigan nyo ba ito in real life?
Meron kaming support group before.
Yeah, it's called One
Love.
And
Yeah.
nung time na yon, talagang we were very active. So we would hold mga parang talks, ganyan. Kasi speak out. Yun yung pangalan ng talk namin. Kasi parang more than anything, kasi kahit naman you're part of the LGBTQIA community, there's still so many things that we don't understand, we don't know, or you're not aware of. So we'd like have parang talks about Soji 101. And alam mo, because of the Soji 101, maraming nagkaroon ng parang, oh my God, hindi pala ako lesbian, trans pala ako. So may mga gano'n na, mga parang, boom, may mga surprises na gano'n, realizations. And then may mga coming out stories. Diba? And, relationship stuff. So, parang it's nice
Or paano
because
mag-come out sa magulang. Diba?
Pinakamahirap sa lahat.
Or yung mga magulang din, nagkaroon kami ng isang discussion na ang mga magulang din natin, they also go through a journey. Especially pag nalaman nila na LGBT pala yung kanilang mga anak, may fears din silang nararamdaman eh. And it's not because ayaw nila yung piniling, yung kasarian ng anak nila, pero ang natatakot sila sa pwedeng maging future kasi unknown siya, hindi nila alam na.
At saka hindi lang yun, di ba? Parang kayo, di ba, as parents, lahat tayo may mga pangarap tayo para sa anak natin.
Correct.
Tama.
And sometimes, kapag hindi yun yung nangyayari sa buhay ng anak mo, hindi natin siya matanggap.
Oo.
But kumbaga, that's what we always say then to the community, or at least to the people we talk to, na parang always remember that when you come out, and parang it's a journey for you before you even got there. Yung mga taong pagka-come out, especially like the parents, 'di ba? Parang sila first time lang nilang narinig to. Wala pa sila doon. Kumbaga doon pala magsisimula yung journey nila towards understanding, towards embracing. So parang parang sana mas ma-soften yung blow na parang hindi dahil hindi ka nila iniintindi or ayaw ka nila intindi. It's just that it's a surprise. Diba? And I'm sure with, yun nga, like what Liza said, with time and really discussing the hard things, you'll get there.
Tsaka may generational gap kasi.
Yes.
Diba? So,
So,
importante
oo,
parang ang natatakot yung magulang hindi dahil ayaw nila i-accept o i-embrace, kundi anong gagawin, anong sasabihin,
Oh,
anong
hindi lang
mga
kasi Ate Tin,
nakaka-hurt,
di ba?
mga ganun.
Kumbaga, especially sa henerasyon ng mga magulang natin, for them, para masabi nilang stable ang buhay ng anak nila, may asawa ka at anak ka at pamilya.
Ang gano'n ang
And
definition.
may connotation may connotation na kapag you're in an LGBT relationship, it's not gonna last.
Yeah.
Face lang yan.
And even the
Diba?
terms that we use, 'di ba? Para sa kanila normal lang yung tawagin na tomboy, bakla, tapos hindi na nag-extend doon, 'di ba? Tayo LGBTQ hanggang A to Z na. Ang dami na
dati
na
wala
spectrum
naman yung
exact.
QIA+, di ba? Oh.
So minsan kahit hindi naman nila intention na i-offend ka or i-box ka sa isang term na because right now iba na talaga yung may gap
Yeah.
na hindi nagkakaroon ng
Kumbaga, the
pagkakaintindihan.
defenses are high. Because of course, we cannot also blame naman din the community for not being defensive about it because, diba, they've encountered so many hurt and pain. Pero para siguro, right now, ako this is just me, na parang, okay, yes, I've gone through the hurt, I've gone through the bashing and the pain, but I will rise up. And ako, more than being defensive, I wanna be assertive, diba? And just, and let people in that this is who I am.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, I'm not a bad person just because I love a woman, because I am married to a woman. And I think dun magkakaroon talaga ng openness. So, I mean, I'm sure we'll get there. Ako, para sa akin, Ate Tin, Kuya Julius, parang, for me, win sa akin yung, alam mo, makita ko ng mga fans ko na lola na. Tapos, sabi nila,
Alam
kamusta
niyo
na yung
naman ang
asawa?
fanbase ni Ice.
Oo, nakita na namin
Puro mga
during the
senior.
videoke. Puro
Diba?
senior.
Diba? So, para, kamusta na yung asawa mo? Parang,
ang saya.
diba? Parang
Lola,
for
oh.
them to
Acceptance
say
na.
that they recognize Liza as my wife, or minsan may lalapit sa akin, uy, Aiza, tapos kasi may kasama siya. Sabihin nung kasama niyang lola, ano ka ba? Hindi na yan Aiza, Ice na siya ngayon.
Diba? Cool, no?
Updated
Oh my
sila.
God.
These are
Gusto ko
twins.
malaman kung ano, nung nag-come out ka ba, tinanggap agad ng ng parents?
Parents.
Oh, no.
Si
Nahuli
Mami
ako
na-
Paano?
Nahuli.
Nahuli ako.
Open book ba
That's
yan,
for a
kwento na yan?
different...
Anyway, nahuli ka.
Okay,
So, ano
nahuli.
reaction nila?
Panoorin niyo yung choosing.
Ayun, nandun. Ay! Okay. Sorry. Excited.
Ano talagang andun yung mga linya na anong nagawa naming mali, anong klaseng pagpapalaki ang nagawa namin para gawin mo to sa amin. So andun din ako sa parang guilt-ridden ako na parang I'm so sorry, hiwalayan ko na siya. Kasi parang you felt it's wrong, di ba? Kasi parang wrong kasi parang hinurt ko yung mga magulang ko Pero at the same time, nagtatalo yung sarili ko. Pero
This is
ba't
who I am.
Hindi, not even that.
Oo.
Wala pa ako na sa identity na. It's more of, nagmamahal naman ako. Kumbaga, I'm not doing a bad thing. Hindi ako nagda-drugs, hindi ako, di ba? But it's loving someone. How can loving be wrong? So parang, hindi ko siya talaga alam mo yun, mapagtagpi-tagpi. Kasi,
Magulo.
kasi parang, kailan naging masama ang pagmamahal? Ang magmahal.
Saka may pressure din from the public kasi parang may sense of, parang may relationship sila sa'yo eh.
Para may sense of
Na lumaki
ownership
ka sa-
sa'yo yung
Oh,
public.
yeah.
Sa
Ganun yun.
television.
Apo ng
Tumanda lang. Hindi lumaki.
Tumanda sa harap ng mga tao.
Oo.
Mabigat din yun.
Actually, nga pinag-uusapan namin ni Liza na parang this marriage, or at least me, ako, parang it's not just the two of us, it's us and them.
Yeah.
Pero parang
Yeah.
siguro, thankfully, nasanay na rin ako. But, I mean, of course, at the end of the day, every major decision, it's still up to us. And siguro, it's just finding the right way of parang, hindi mo not even explaining, but sharing
Yeah.
to the people that this is where we're at now.
Alam mo, dapat mag-guest kayo sa men's room ni Stanley Chi tsaka ni Jano.
I was supposed to.
schedule.
Diba? Bagay na bagay.
Gusto ko rin tanongin
Ah,
mo,
sige,
si
Papo.
Liza naman, paano ka nag-come out? Anong reaction yung daddy mo?
Ay, tama
Very
yun.
political siya na tao, di ba? So, paano niya tinanggap yun?
Well, actually, yung coming out ko is the fact that I love Ice. I mean, I'm a cisgender female who is in love with Ice. So, all my life, heterosexual yung relationships ko. Kaya nung sinasabihan ako na, oh, in love ka kay Ice, edi lesbian ka. So ako naman, okay. Pero hindi ako talaga lesbian kasi I'm not attracted to women. Ice is the first and only relationship that I have in my life. I mean, I got married, I have a daughter, lahat ng relationship ko all with guys. And
Ang
then
pogi ko lang kasi talaga. So, hindi niya talaga napigilan
Lulahan mo ako, sasabihin ko yata rin. Ang pogi lang ata.
So I'm sure there are also a lot of women out there who are now realizing that parang, okay, yung spectrum pala ng pagmamahal ay napakalawak. And just to segue, that is what choosing also is about. Like, you don't need the labels because you're feeling something for another person. But if that label will help para makilala mo yung sarili mo, then so be it.
Ganda.
Pero yung sa amin ni Ice kasi alam kong babae ko, alam kong ang attraction ko for the most part are guys. Pero when I got together with Ice, I realized that I'm not looking at genders.
Yeah.
Whether lesbian siya or naging trans man siya or kung ano pang gender yung magiging kay Ice at
Next time, long hair na ako.
Haba ng hair.
Girl.
I love the person within. I love his whole being.